Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the fuel filter on a 6.7 Cummins engine. First, always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure your engine is cool and the truck is on a level surface. Before you start, gather all your tools, including a new fuel filter, a drain pan, and a filter wrench. This ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process from start to finish. Next, let's prepare for removal. Locate the fuel filter housing, typically on the driver's side of the engine. Place a suitable drain pan directly beneath it to catch any draining fuel. Open the drain valve, usually a yellow lever, by turning it 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and allow all the fuel to drain completely. Once drained, carefully disconnect any electrical sensors or fuel lines connected to the filter housing. Now it's time to remove the old filter. With the fuel drained, use a specialized 28mm or 36mm socket to loosen the filter housing. Turn it counterclockwise until it's free. Carefully pull out the old filter element, being mindful of any remaining fuel. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the housing for any contaminants or debris, and clean it thoroughly with a lint-free cloth to ensure a clean seal for the new filter. Finally, let's install the new filter and prime the system. Lightly lubricate the new filter's O-ring with clean diesel fuel or engine oil. Screw the new filter into the housing, hand tightening it until snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn with your wrench. Reconnect all lines and electrical connectors. Before starting, cycle the ignition key to the run position for about 30 seconds, 5 to 12 times, to prime the fuel system and purge any air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.